Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Today we're diving into green celery juice. We'll cover what it is, how it's made, and what it can really do for your health. It also contains potassium, a mineral that helps balance sodium in the body and supports normal blood pressure. There are small amounts of vitamin K, vitamin C, and folate as well. Think of green celery juice like a gentle, salty sweet water. It can be a smart choice after a sweaty workout when you want fluid without heavy sweetness, or after a very salty meal when you want something light that still has flavor. It will not fix high blood pressure by itself, but as part of a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and less processed food, it can play a supporting role. Antioxidants in green celery juice and what they can and cannot do. Antioxidants are natural chemicals that help protect cells from damage caused by normal body processes, stress, and pollution. Celery contains antioxidants such as flavonoids and vitamin C. When you drink celery juice, you take in some of these plant compounds in a form your body can absorb quickly. Over time, a diet full of antioxidant-rich foods may help lower the risk of some chronic diseases. Here is the key point. No single juice prevents cancer, reverses aging, or replaces medical care. Green celery juice can support an overall healthy pattern that already includes colorful vegetables, fruits, nuts, beans, movement, and good sleep. Does celery juice really help with digestion and bloating? Many people online swear that celery juice cleared their digestion in a week. Some of this effect is simple. You drink more water. You take in natural salts. You may also pay more attention to what you eat that day. All of this can change how your gut feels. For some people, the extra water and salts in celery juice may help them feel less puffy, especially if their usual diet is high in sodium and low in produce. Others may get gassy or crampy, loose stools, or an urgent need to go to the bathroom. Juicing removes fiber. So if your digestion works best with a lot of bulk, a big glass of juice instead of breakfast may not feel great. It is normal for results to vary from person to person. Weight loss and detox claims. What is true and what is hype? You may have seen claims that green celery juice melts belly fat or flushes toxins. This sounds nice, but the body does not work that way. Weight loss comes from eating fewer calories than you burn over time. Your liver and kidneys already detox your body around the clock. No juice can replace these organs. That said, celery juice can play a smart role if you are trying to lose weight. It is low in calories and can replace soda, juice drinks, or large flavored coffees. Swapping a 200-calorie drink for a 20-calorie one, day after day, can help create the calorie gap needed for weight loss. That wraps up our guide to green celery juice. Remember, enjoy it wisely and mind your portions. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.